Hi, this is the Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with the SIM pin. Welcome, this is the Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So to do that, let's open first the settings and then scroll down to the security and privacy section. Then scroll down to other security settings and click to set up SIM card lock. To remove SIM pin from SIM card, click on the switcher to turn it off, and now you should enter your currently pin code. In my case, that is from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK and we could see that the switcher disabled successfully, so this means that we just successfully removed SIM pin from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.